Hey guys, Joseph from Addmi here. We've been doing some of these back-end dashboard training videos, and today we're really kind of reviewing some of the things that we've done. So far, we've created the account. We've created some menu items and different ways that we can structure the pricing, whether it be with modifiers or the base price of an item. We've also gone through some of these different ways to structure the modifier pricings with sub modifiers and adding a percentage based on some different criteria they choose. But now let's start to look at some of the additional features that are on this backend dashboard that are really going to enhance our efficiency and improve our operations as far as workflows. Now, first of which, maybe with our store settings, we might want to turn on tipping options. This is going to allow a customer to not only apply a tip online, but also at the point of sale if we're in a quick serve environment. Now, quick serve, it's going to have a customer enter a tip right on screen. Now, of course, this is a point of sale setting, and we'll walk through that in a different demonstration. Or if you've already scheduled a virtual meeting with the Addmi representative, they will show you and describe to you the specifics of these different workflows. Turning on the tipping, of course, is step one. You do have the option to customize your tip amounts and the percentages that show, even having an option to set a default amount. Default, it's going to have it pre-selected so that the customer, can change it if they want to even do a custom amount. Another thing that we might want to do is add discounts or create discounts. Let's say I have an employee discount. I'm going to go ahead and abbreviate that 10%. Now, the thing about our discounts is it allows us to structure it in a few different ways. We can either do a percentage or a set dollar amount, but I know for my employees, it's going to be 10%. And let's go ahead and create one first responders. And let's give them a 20% discount. So now that we've added a discount and some of the options here, we can also add promo codes. And I always say promo codes is a great way to not only promote your business, but to use it in advertising marketing campaigns. If you have an option or even an opportunity for a customer to get some type of discount on their price, on their order, they're probably more likely to come by and purchase with you, especially if they're reoccurring. So here, let's say, let's call it first of the month. Promo code is going to be first. Savings. Let's be a little bit more specific. And we're going to go ahead and select the discount. So the way that this works is essentially it's applying a discount when using this promo code. You do have additional options such as setting specific dates. You can see I'm going to go ahead and select the beginning of the month. You can set a limited quantity. So if you want it to only be applied for the 50 people, first 50 customers, you can do so. And you can even specify which items from your menu this can be applied to. I'm not going to be too picky on which items they choose. So I'm going to go ahead and say save. Now, that's pretty much all that I need to get set up with my back end and getting my store ready. Again, this is going to change not only our online store, but also our point of sale experience as well. Now that we have that in, it might be time to start thinking about my customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is a great way to keep customers engaged with your business and also give them some type of incentive to come back and spend with you. So here, I jumped into engagement, and underneath engagement, it has this option for loyalty. Now, loyalty, the summary page will show you customers that have either recently earned points or redeemed points. But the first thing that we want to do is jump into the loyalty settings. The loyalty settings allows you to change your earn and redeeming rules with these loyalty points. So clicking start, you're going to see that first option that it gives us, the amount spent or the amount of times visited. And what I've done often is the amount spent. Let's say they spend, let's put $10 in and they get 1 point. Now you can rename this loyalty program, but it will automatically create kind of a name based on the rules that you set in. So it says 1 point for $10 spent. Great, it already auto-filled that for me. I'm gonna go ahead and click continue. Now deduct points. Let's say 10 points is equal to $10. Great, it already auto-populates that for me, and the minimum amount that they can redeem is maybe $5. You do have the option to add a maximum redeeming amount if needed, and if it fits your loyalty structure, go ahead and put in the maximum amount as well. I'm going to go ahead and save this. You do see that it has an expiration on there, so we can go ahead and submit this. So now I've set in my loyalty program. My customers can start earning loyalty points. And how can I start to send this out to customers? Well, we do have this email marketing campaign. I always recommend this for new businesses that start up. And if they already have a book of recent customers or loyal customers from different ventures, they can use this email marketing campaign to really inform, educate, notify their customer base of new business operations, new times of business, new product offerings. And it's a really inexpensive way to do that. You can see that it does give you 2 months free with the ticketing event tech platform. And then after that, it's only 1 cent per email to send this out. So you can see it's pretty cost effective. And if I wanted to create a campaign, it's going to show me some of the templates that I can choose from, whether it be a quick update, a newsletter, holiday greetings, notify customers of your new delivery or pickup options. You can really customize these. Now, once I select any one of these templates, I can go ahead and click next in the top right corner. Now, this is where I start to design and structure my template. I can change the imagery here. I can change the messagery here. Even if I'm using the events platform to, the marketing platform to display events that I'm going to be holding, I could use it for that by clicking in and adding event links. But this is where you can customize it. You can throw in that promo code. You can tell them why they would want to use it or what the advantage is of getting this discount and what items it pertains to. Now, once we click on next, you're getting the option to either throw in a new group of customers, select out of a group of customers that are already in the system, and then you can start to send this out to people. So a great tool for any new business owners to really extend the reach of their business and contact the people that they're really targeting.